Yes, magre-register lang po yung mga muse po natin. Punta na po kayo dito, please. Just for registration po. Mabilis lang po ito. Alright, Team Bahrain and Team Philippines exhibition game are now about to start.
Ikaw na muna. Ikaw na muna.
Dito, Ja.
Okay. Ikaw na muna. Jasin, pa-control muna ito hanggang meron ito ma-assign.
Alright, first for a photo op with Team Bahrain. And in a while, we will get a skills photo op for our Team Philippines.
Okay naman, dito sabit lang naman siya. Yeah?
Okay po, once again, sa lahat po ng news na hindi pa nakapag-register, please come up here po for your registration so that we know later on kung sino po mga kasali and for whose team we're... Okay, here we are. J Events also. J Events, here we have J Events. And to all, and to everybody po na gusto ko pumasok dito sa loob, there's a seat over there po at the right corner. You can go over there and sit there to watch our exhibition game. You are most welcome to come here inside. All of you guys. May mga muse pa po ba na hindi pa po nakapag-register? Please come here with Miss Rose. Okay, how about Team Philippines? Team Philippines, yes, follow up po.
عرفت من الحين؟ عرفت من؟
Not playing in Philippines.
Dito Team Philippines, pre.
Yeah, please, both team on the video, please, for our photo op. Team Nakaling and Team Philippines.
Mabaw,
All together
Selum.
on one picture, please.
Selum,
All
mabaw.
players of Team Nakaling. Town Habibi. Come here, please.
قول لهم عاد.
Now, to the front.
Coffee, coffee. Coffee, madam. Coffee.
Tatagtag ko na yan.
Eh,
Yes, the press po, from the press.
Ito.
ito ba yun?
Ayan. Ayan.
Baby.
Alright, everybody, it's the ball game for our exhibition game of Team Nakaling and Team Philippines. We are about to start now. Referees ready, players ready. Start of the ball game.
Sabi yung 6:30. Yung pala, 8:30. Adjust mo sa mga oras dito sa araw.
Ikaw sa score.
Asan ang news?
Alright, jump ball. Up Victoria.
Camera yan. Maano to? Maano yung camera ko? Malapit.
Alright. Jump ball, toss ball by Mr. Yusuf. For the exhibition game of Team Philippines and Team Bahrain. Thank you so much, Mr. Yusuf. Alright. That's it. Jump ball. Get the number 5. Now basket round to the 2. Outside to the ball. To the number stop.
Iba ng pangalan.
Outside. To the number stop. Outside. 3 points.
Bakit?
Bagus. Okay. Okay, time. 3 points for okay. Our score 6-2 in favor of the Philippines. The team for number 13, Nobu. I decided to be the ball. I decided to help it. Papanilla. Oh. And the lead 2 points. Paligila Cuesta.
Iba ng pangalan niya, ano? Ewan ko pangalan. Di Ramos? Hindi. White, 2, and check.
There's a foul or head check foul. Table. Number 11. 21. 21 attempt. Basket good for number 21. Everett, understanding. Understanding. Everett. Isabel. No good. Ibaba number 21. Number 5. Number 5. With the left hand. No good. Ibaba number 21. 21 attempt. No good. Ibaba Everett. Everett. Silva number 11. To number 21. Number 21. Go for 2. Our score 8-6 in favor of Philippines team. Undecided is Salvador. There's a foul. Foul on number 11, red. First personal foul, first team foul. From Philippines. Undecided. Abadilla to Erpe. Erpe in! The wood! Ball number 19 to 21. Post the balls. Good for 2. Our score 8-all. Undecided. Last touch. Back to the red ball. Remaining time 6 minutes and 45 seconds. For the game clock. Number 31, no good. You won by number 14. Salvador with the ball. Erpe attempt to Alpahad. Desire, no good. Still by number 21 to number 5. Group 4-2. Nice assist from number 21. Gates Taylor, our score stand 8 in favor of Bahrain. Still again for number 19, number 21, no good, rebound by number 5, number 21 again, number 21, group 4-2, group 8 score, undecided, still by number 5, attempt, no good. Silva number 14. Salvador and Peru. Roma number 19. Number 13. 11. Number 11. 21. 11. Number 13. 11 again. 21. Drive. There's a foul. Foul on number 12. First personal foul on number 12. Second team foul on Philippine team. Remaining time 4 minutes. Another attempt. 1 point. Our score 13 in favor of Alcaldía. Bahrain. Oh, there's a foul. There's a foul on number 13.
Ano number? 19 at 13?
13, 11.
11.
Oh, there's a foul with the basket. Number 19, basket count.
Number 11.
Salam.
Salam, oh.
Sakanis.
1 point. 11-13. Number 5 and 3 points by number 5. 11-17, sorry. Number 19, number 13, number 5, number 5 10, no good. Number 12, Elpe, Bonilla, 2 points. 13-17 score. Oh, there's a foul with the basket. Number 14, first personal foul, third team foul. With the basket. Oh, big
the 3 points for number 5. Undecided with the ball. And to take to Salvador. Salvador. Oh. Number 5. Check. Remaining time 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Basket. 15-20 score. Number 21, number 19, number 19 there. No good. Ball by number 14. 19 by number 5. Number 13. Number 19, number 19. No good. Another take. Number 15. Oh. Right ball. Remaining time. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay. Banta mo, no good. Oh, nice ball. Nice. Good evening po. Kanino pong sasakyan ito ng Nissan Kicks 268-493. Nakaharap po sa sasakyan. May gusto pong umalis. Nissan Kicks 268-493. Thank you very much. Remaining time 56 seconds. Nice. Underneath. From Vanilla. 2019, 1 point lead. Via Canicia. Corain. Hervey. Nice. Shot by number 11. Game score 21-20 by Philippines. Oh, there's a foul. Oh, 71 all. Remaining time 30 seconds left. 9 seconds. Time out. Remaining time 9 seconds on the first quarter. Remaining 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Our score is tied 21 all. 21 all. Score.
Just who on? 9.
9 seconds. 8, 5, 4, 2. Time is gone. Our score start the ball game. Agusari, Salvador. Salvador. Agusari, no good. Ibaba Salvador, again, oh. Basket count. Our score 23-21. Okay. Tuloy mo, ibaba number 16. Number 18 natin. There's a foul. Number 2. First personal foul on number 2. First team foul on the second quarter. No good. Another tip for number 18. No good. Rebound by Salvador. Other side. Vanilla. Last chance. Save ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Salvador. No good. Rebound by number 20. Number 4. Oh, there's a foul. Foul on number 23. Lorigo, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 10, no good. Rebound by Elfrid. Elfrid to Agusari. Elfrid. Number 4, basket, count for number 4. Our score time, 23. One by Elfrid, Agusari to Lorigo. Lorigo at that gap for 2. Score. Number 4, number 14, number 14, to number 18, no good. One by number 14. Number 14, no good. One by number 12, Elfrid, to Lorigo. Last time. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Salvador to Lorigo, nice block. One number is 16. Shot to loser. Number 220, swings it out. Salvador to Elfrid. Salvador, time to shoot. Good. Nice rebound. By number 21. Number 18 attempt. Nice block by Lorigo. Save ball. 19 seconds. Shut up. Number 4, no good. One by the side. Lorigo, attempt. No. Number 4. Number 16. Number 18, no good. Number 2 points. 27-23 score.
Yata sila.
27 for 2 points lead by Honda 412208. 412208. Nakaharap po. Honda.
Excuse me po.
Pakitanggal po. Please remove the car. Honda 412208. And another one for Toyota. 2-8023. Please remove the car. Jadi ka raw, boy. Jadi. Toyota. Toyota Yaris. 2-8023. Bola. Basket. 85-89 score. Number 14, Bohun. Bombay. Matamu with the bar. Carlos, number 18. Number 18, first personal foul. 13 foul. Unita, 3 minutes. Oh, 3 points by Yorte.
Stop, stop.
Substitution. Another foul for number 18. Number 18, second personal foul.
Good.
Perfect. Another 21. There's a ball. Vidal Cruz. Victor's over vertical. Basket smooth. Our score 33. 24 now. 34-25. I'm still very big. We're undecided. Undecided is the last stat. Number 21, 2 points. It's a hand time by number 21. Violation. Defense time, last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. On the second quarter.
Dapat pala sinususya na lang yung kape ko rito.
Number 11, number 21, 3! Number 14.
Ilan ang foul?
First personal foul, number 14. Second, team foul. Warning for penalty. Let's go. 2 points. 30. You may have 1 minute and 25 seconds. Number 21. Number 21. No good. Gone by number 23. Team Manila. Darren, nice take. 2 points. 30. You may have 1 minute and 5 seconds. Basketball for number 21. 30. 6-point lead. But it is big. Undecided. The foul on number 4. Penalty. Situation. Another time. No good. Point 39. Bamba Elfi Matamo, Rodolfo, Elfi, no good. Bamba number 14, number 14, number 81, 2 points. 34, 39. And that by number 16. Number 11, attempt. Number 31, nice block. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. You make time for the game clock. 7 seconds. 8 seconds. 4, 2, 1 seconds. Result the bar. Number 14. Remain time. 1 seconds. Oh, one back. Another attempt for Irving. Point one.
Bagan mo na lang pagkahuawak.
Time is gone.
Wala.
Our scores 39-34, 5-point lead by the Philippine team. For the third quarter.
Half-time na. Okay lang?
Okay, bibigyan ko kasi ng kape yun.
سلم قفل له
Third quarter. Our score, 37-43 by Philippines. Abusare. Nice to see you, number 11. Nice pass for number 5. That is 16. Again for number 5. 2 points. Our score is 39. Abadilla, turn around. There's a foul. Foul on number 16. Basket count for number 42 of Vanilla. 1 point lead, the Philippines. Another attempt. So good. Number 11. Number 5. So good. Number 16. Another 3 for number 5. Number 5 to number 11. Number 11 to number 5. Collection. Number 11 to number 5. Game score 41-40 in favor of Bahrain. Al-Qadisiyah. Vanilla. Azizin. Number 5. 2 points again for number 5. 40-40. 1 the back for Bahrain Al-Qadisiyah. Vanilla. Violation. 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 11.
Barcelona.
Number 21. There's a foul. Number 12. Second personal foul on number 35. No good?
Ano na bang?
Another one for number 21. Nice defense for Garcia. Oh! There's a foul. Again. For number 16. 1 second. No. Tira pa. 40 seconds and that. Again. Another free throws. Basket. Forty-one, 44. Another rebound for number 44. Again. Oh, there's a ball again. Number 16. Number 16. Good personal foul on number 16. 13 fouls. 13 fouls. Bucket. Wrong free throws. Number 10. One point again. 1 point lead for Al-Qadisiyah. Very time. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay. There's a foul with the basket. Number 5. Foul with the basket. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2-point lead. By James Cable. Number 21, no good. Dapat ng tamang Elpe. Elpe, outside. No good. Dapat number 5. Oh! Nice! Victory light pass! Wow! The next one! Got it from Nashville. Number 5 to number 19. What a nice grab of information. Our swords 26 all. Outside. Elpe.
Oy, struggling.
Around the ring. Congratulations. The next time, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 11, number 21. Akan, no. Bangol sa balon. Kabanila. Duarte. Bangol number 6, number 5. Number 21. Bangol number 4. Kabanila. Next steal by number 11. Number 21. Number 7. Next steal by number 12. Kabanila, 2 points. 2 points straight. Number 11, number 5. Number 11, number 16. Number 16. Oh, another with the wow! By number 16. Number 92. Basket foul. Also, side coaching foul. Let's go up. Let's go foul. Penalty. Defense time. Last 2 minutes. Stop. Substitution. Another 10. 1 minute and 58 seconds. 36 seconds.
Pumasok pa? Wala, ngayon lang, isa lang.
The ball. Number 4.
Titimbo yun naman tayo.
Second personal foul on number 4.
Stop.
For Elpe. Our score is 51-48 in favor of Team. Number 11, Mahmoud from Elpe. Elpe is on the side, Elpe, 2 more. 53-48. Number 31, 2 points. 8 seconds. Manila. 2 points. 14 seconds. Last shot. 10 seconds. Oh. And the ball. Number 5. And 3 points by number 5. 55. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Our score is 55, 53.
Yes, and of course we would like to welcome His Excellency Mr. Ahmed Abdul Wahid Karata, the second Deputy Speaker of the Council of Representatives. Thank you so much for coming in the wonderful event of the basketball championship and the exhibition game of the Team Takarayan and Team Philippines. Once again, His Excellency Mr. Ahmed Abdul Wahid Karata. Thank you so much for coming. Nice 2 points by Apakila.
Uy! 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 Hindi ko tuloy naman siya.
Number 21. Foul.
Dance!
Third foul, number 19. First foul.
Si Gina! Hindi ka sali! Si Gina!
Double foul. Number 18 and number 2. Double foul for number 18 and number 2. Fourth personal foul, number 18. Ball number 13 to number 11. Father and son. Pass. Oh, there's a foul. Foul on number 12. Fourth personal foul. Kapag na. Nagbilang. Fourth personal foul. No good. Another tackle, number 11. Basket for number 11. 54, 57, 51 lead. Matamo. Salvador. 15 seconds to shoot. Salvador. 10 seconds.
3 seconds.
3 seconds by Razor. 57, 54, 51 lead. Number 21. Salvador. Salvador, attack! Number 21. Outside from number 21. Everybody the ball. Everybody the ball. Other side, attack. The move. Number 19. Number 19. Number 19. Number 11. Number 21 again for number 21. Juwan. Quick plan. 114. One shot. Substitution. Number 14, number 18 out. Remaining time 6 minutes and 10 seconds and 15 seconds. For the fourth quarter, remaining time. Number 21 to number 14, number 14, 2 points. Going Gates favor. 60-59 in favor of Arcadia. Kabalog, Matamu. Oh, naiwan. Matamu, knockback by number 19. Substitution. Oh, no. Okay. 7 seconds, shot clock. 7 seconds, shot clock. 6 seconds. 6 seconds, shot clock. Nice number 21. Number 21. Number 21 supposed to with the foul. Number 14. Second personal foul on Matamu. 13 foul. On the fourth quarter. No good. Another 10.
Daming time ba? Top lock, no? Daming time na.
4 minutes.
Basket for number 21. Abanilla, no good. Abanilla. Salvador. Verde attempt. Swat. Gates favor again. No, come down, sorry. 61 all. Ang time again for number 21 with the foul. Another foul for Matamu. 30 foul for number 14. Warning for penalty.
Yeah, well, during the free throw, I would like to announce all of our muses for each team. Please come over at the DJ side to register your muses for all of the teams. And of course, I would like to thank all of our vendors outside here for Jollibee, Soho Homes, Javens, and of course, Apo ng Mamay. Thank you so much for supporting this wonderful event of Rose Events. You can see outside, top third, there's a foul. PBPL.
Number 14. 30 foul. Matamu. Abanilla. Number 13, foul. Warning for penalty for the both teams.
Referee stop.
Warning for delay the game. Moral Candelaria. Abanilla. Matamu. Ansalo. Again. Rolling. Revenge time. That's sweet. That's sweet. For the whole team. This is ready. For the opening. Number 11. Number 21. Number 21. Oh, nice shot for number 21.
1-34.
65-61 in favor of Arcadia. Adversary, there's a foul again for the number.
Stop.
Substitution. Number 14, penalty situation. Penalty. Third personal foul on number 14. And penalty situation remains at 1 minute and 28 seconds. Our score is 65-61. Oh, another 1 point for number 7. Nice ball for number 11. Basket for number 14 with the half time with 2 points. The wood dibawa Masamu. Elvin. Oh. They wall. Remaining time. 19 seconds. End up. 19 seconds. Remaining time. 1 minute and 17 seconds. Matamu. Usagodol. Elvin. 2 points. 64-67. With the ball again. Number 92, penalty situation. First personal foul, second personal foul on number 92. Basket count for number 21. Another time, 68-64 score. Time out! Our score is 69-65, 5-1 lead by Arcadia or Rain.
Yes, and of course I would like to mention once again to all of our users for each team, please come here on our committee table to register your name for each team. Once again, sa lahat po ng news, pwede na po kayo na hindi pa po nakapag-register, pwede po ulit kayo dito para po makapag-register ng mga name nyo per team. Thank you so much. Once again, to all of our users, thank you so much. And first, thank you so much also for His Excellency Mr. Ahmed Abdul Wahid Karana, the second Deputy Speaker of the Council of Representatives. Thank you so much for coming in this wonderful event. Thank you so much.
14 penalties remaining. Remind for the both teams. Penalties. Abanilla. 2 points.
1 minute.
1 minute. Last 1 minute. Number 11, number 31. 15 seconds, shot clock. 10 seconds, shot clock. Number 21. Number Matano. Salvador. Go outside. Oh, 16 seconds. Time out. 13 seconds. Our score 69-66. 3-point lead by Barrena Cadencia. 30 seconds left on the final quarter.
Oh, yung number 21. Salam, hindi nag-score eh. Depensa lang. Number 11.
Back to the ball game. We will see who will blow it.
Siguro pag naging tatlo dito sa kabilang side, no?
Good time. 30 seconds.
Isa dito, isa dito.
You mentioned 30 seconds and 16 seconds shot clock. 16 seconds shot clock. Matamu. Tuan-Tusari. Welke. Jump situation. Bola ng red ball. Ball red. You mentioned 22 seconds. 22 seconds.
Pwede pa rin dyan eh.
Number 2 on the side.
Tara. Camera.
Warning.
Cameraman na.
Fourth personal foul on number 2.
Salim.
Salim! Yalla!
Wahda salim.
Wahda salim, wahda!
Salim, salim.
Congratulations for Barrena Cadencia for the win. Congratulations. Okay, so the whole team, please proceed to the center. Ako mga sa mga team. We're waiting along for the opening.
Ano, ayaw mo mag-score? Sila nag-assist sa'yo.
Alright, once again, for the last step, I would like to call on all of the muses for all of these teams. Please come here at the comedy table. Register your name for your team. So we are about to start our game. Alright, PBBL Winter League Street Basketball 2025. And we are about to start our program.
Para may sasakyan.
Baka magayaw. Baka ng ano? Askar. Wala na dito? Nag-good?
Sama!
So please, all of the teams, assemble your team so we can start as fast as we can for our program for tonight.
Gawin mo naman dyan.
Again, for the teams of the intercolor, boys involved in street basketball, please assemble your team. As we are about to start our program for the opening program of the ARA PBBL Winter League and Street Basketball 2025.
More on delivery kasi. Sa mga ibang item. Mga process. Ano? Logistics. Kailangan nila yung chiller ko 18 or 5 degree. Negative 5 degree. So, ibig sabihin dapat. Hindi ko pa alam kung meron pa ako start.
Guys!
Yes, please go to us, to all of our officials and because this is going to be the awarding ceremony of the medal and trophy for the both Team Philippines and Team Bahrain. And congratulations to the winner. Congratulations to the winner, Al Qadisiyah Club. And of course, thank you so much to my fellow Filipinos for playing the exhibition games of basketball championship exhibition here at Salmania Club. Team Philippines, thank you so much. And congratulations to our best team here in Bahrain, Al Qadisiyah Club. Yes, for all of officials. Number 19. Number 4. From Al Qadisiyah team, number 4. Get your medal. Number 14. Please don't get the camera.
Ang bawal na po, walang shoot.
Of course, I would like to thank all of the officials of Al Qadisiyah team for attending this wonderful event. This really great team. And congratulations for the win.
Dapat kayo pa. Grabe talaga. Manager, iba talaga ang salon. Yung mga miss po natin ha, pwede po nakasuot. Sabi po ng management, yung mga miss po natin nakasuot. Ang tanga lang po
And of course, once again, I would like to call on all of our releases for each team for the ARA and PBBL Winter League and Street Basketball 2025. So lahat po ulit ng news, please come here at the committee table to register your name for your team. This is going to be the final call because we are about to start our program. So please, sa lahat po na hindi pa nakaregister, just kindly approach our committee table. Mag-assist po sa inyo yan, and you can talk to Ms. Rose if hindi po kayo nakaka-register sa lahat po ng inyong mga team. We have a team for the intercolor, 40s above, and also a street basketball team. Just please kindly approach our committee table. And for all the players of Al Qadisiyah, please don't go anywhere because we have a final photo op for all of you guys with your awards. Once again, I would like to thank all of our vendors outside. Jollibee, Sorrow Homes, Ravens, thank you so much. And of course, to our sponsors, Team Pula, thank you so much for sponsoring this event also.
Kasi papasok na.
Okay, all of the players of Al Qadisiyah team, so congratulations. So please gather around all of the team. gather around and fix their things together so that we can start early.
Yung mga pisa, pasok na ang pangsin. Nasa na rin tayo mo.
Yes, thank you so much for the winners and all of our big players for the Team Philippines and Team Bahrain. Congratulations. And also, thank you so much for coming. His Excellency, Mr. Ahmed Abdulwahid Khan, the second deputy speaker of the Council of Cabinet Secretaries. Thank you so much for coming in this event. And now everybody, it's time for us to hear a speech from Falcon team. Let us all give him a round of applause. His Excellency, Mr. Ahmed Abdulwahid Khan.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اليوم في حلقة تشرفنا بالحضور افتتاح الملعب الخارجي لشباب تركيا القادسية، وهذا الملعب يعني اليوم أول مباراة ما بين فريق القادسية وفريق الجالية الفلبينية باستضافة القادسية للفوز في أول مباراة على ملعبهم وبين جمهورهم. طبعا احنا اليوم ويا هالروح الطيبة ان تشرفنا بافتتاح هذا الملعب بفوز فريق نادي القادسية، وشاكر لكم وحضوركم.
Yes, thank you so much for coming also. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency, Mr. Ahmed Abdulwahid Khan, the second Deputy Speaker of the Council of Representatives. Thank you so much for both teams, and of course to our champion for exhibition game, Alcancia team. Congratulations for each and every one of you.
Pasok po na, Sterling, pasok.
And now, we are about to start our Winter League and the Street Basketball 2025. Thank you. So please just stand by for all of the teams. Just stand by and gather around so we can start early and place your cues. Once again, Rose Highlands presents ALA and PBBL the Street Basketball 2025.
Congratulations.